So, there we have it. Beef ho fan for you for dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make beef ho fan. So, right now, kinakat natin yung beef. Is this tenderloin?
Nice. Yes.
This is beef, but not just any ordinary beef. This is tenderloin beef. Now, if you notice, yung strip sizes niya is around 2 inches. Some of them are bigger, mga 3 inches or so. So we are slicing the beef right now.
You have to slice it across the grain.
Paano ibig sabihin across the grain?
If the grain is like this, you have to slice it. Hindi, it will be very tough.
Parang I want to try it. What do you think? No, I want to try.
Because you will destroy it.
Aww. Maybe next time. I'll do what I'm good at right now and take videos. Okay, so there, around 1 inch or so. 1 to 3 inches, depending. This is also the same tenderloin that was used in the broccoli and beef. Beef and broccoli. So, yun, yung food na ginagamit nyo can be used for a lot of things and can be made into a lot of different types of meals. There we have it, everybody. The beef. Tenderloin for the beef ho fan. Okay, guys, we're now starting with the beef ho fan. Right now, we put in the ho fan. Is this the ho fan? Yeah, we put in the ho fan. This is going to be one of those quick and easy meals, just like Nanay wants it. Quick and easy.
6 minutes.
Alright.
And hot water. Don't need to be boiling water.
Okay, if you notice, hindi na nakabukas yung heat because it just needs to be sitting here for 6 minutes. So here we go, na-strain na yung ating noodles. And the instructions in the internet said to in the pack.
In the ano?
Oh, I see. The instructions in the pack of the pho said to boil it, the water, and then after 6 minutes, just make it remain there. But it wasn't cooking, so we had to put it in boiling mode. Okay. So now we're going to stir some of the beef tenderloin. First, ang lalagay natin is the garlic. And the beef tenderloin comes in. Actually, I think that's the secret to the beef. It's that it's tender. It's tenderloin. Do you agree with that, Nana? Do you agree? It's because of the tenderloin.
I like it, so I don't have to worry about it being tough.
Yeah.
Can you get me a fork?
Fine. Okay, so if you notice, brown na siya. May konting red pa siya. Does it cook really quickly?
I would say it's okay because it's red. It continues to cook even after I take it out.
Now we're putting in the onions. Putting back the noodles. Some more oil. This is just vegetable oil, guys. Putting back the beef. Now for some oyster sauce. Maybe that's around 2 or 3 tablespoons. Yeah, maybe 3 tablespoons. We also added in some of the dark soy sauce for color. It's looking really good now, guys. Looking really good. Ow. Oh.
What's your hair?
Oh. Let's take a closer look, guys. Look at that.
On the last is
Looks heavenly delicious. And we're putting in some toge, guys. Toge. What's toge in English? Bean sprout. We're putting in some bean sprout. Just look at that goodness. Can we just take a few minutes to admire this? Yeah. Yung gulay.
Oh, the gulay is separate.
Oh. Alright, there we have it, everybody. Oh. Take a closer look. Beef ho fan. So, there we have it. Beef ho fan for you for dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next Lutong Bahay with Nanay.
Mommy, can I eat already? We're hungry.
Why are you tilting? You're not tilting enough.
Beef ho fan.